Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you woodworking as therapy, promoting woodworking as a form of mindfulness and relaxation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking as therapy has gained recognition in recent years as an effective means of promoting mindfulness and relaxation, offering individuals a sanctuary from the stresses of daily life. Engaging in the rhythmic motions of shaping and crafting would encourages a meditative state that allows practitioners to focus their minds, channel their creativity, and explore their emotions. The tactile nature of wood, combined with the sensory experience of working with tools, provides a grounding effect that can be deeply therapeutic. As artisans immerse themselves in the process, the smell of fresh-cut timber, the sound of saws and chisels, and the visual beauty of the wood grain create an environment that fosters concentration and presence. This sensory engagement serves as a form of mindfulness practice, where individuals can disconnect from external distractions and reconnect with themselves, cultivating a sense of peace and tranquility. The act of creating something tangible with one's hands can be profoundly satisfying. It provides a sense of accomplishment that is often lacking in the fast-paced, technology-driven world we live in. Each woodworking project, whether it's a simple birdhouse or an intricate piece of furniture, presents an opportunity to set goals and see them through to completion. This process fosters a sense of purpose and intention, allowing practitioners to experience the joy of creation firsthand. As individuals engage with the wood, they often find themselves in a flow state where time seems to stand still and worries fade into the background. This immersion in the craft can serve as a powerful antidote to anxiety and stress, offering a respite from the pressures of modern life. Moreover, woodworking encourages a deep connection to nature, as the materials used are derived from trees and the natural environment. This connection can be incredibly restorative, as spending time with natural materials often brings a sense of calm and grounding. For many, the act of selecting wood, appreciating its unique qualities, and understanding its origins fosters a greater appreciation for the environment and the resources it provides. This awareness can lead to a more mindful lifestyle, where individuals become more attuned to their surroundings and the impact of their actions on the world. As artisans work with wood, they often find themselves reflecting on their relationship with nature, leading to a sense of gratitude and contentment that enhances their overall well-being. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to the meditative aspects of woodworking, the craft also offers a form of self-expression that can be incredibly therapeutic. Each piece created is a reflection of the artisan's personality, emotions, and experiences, allowing them to channel their thoughts and feelings into a physical object. This act of creation can be particularly beneficial for individuals navigating challenges such as grief, anxiety, or depression. By translating their emotions into tangible forms, artisans often find relief and clarity, enabling them to process complex feelings in a constructive manner. The workshop becomes a safe space for exploration and expression, where individuals can experiment with different techniques, styles, and ideas without fear of judgment. This creative freedom not only fosters personal growth, but also nurtures a sense of identity and self-worth. Furthermore, woodworking can facilitate social connections and community building, which are essential components of emotional well-being. Many individuals find solace in joining woodworking groups or classes where they can share their passion with like-minded individuals. These communal spaces provide opportunities for collaboration, learning, and support, creating a sense of belonging and connection that can be incredibly healing. Sharing experiences, exchanging ideas, and celebrating each other's successes fosters a spirit of camaraderie that enriches the woodworking journey. The friendships formed in these environments can serve as a vital support network, offering encouragement and understanding during challenging times. Another important aspect of woodworking as therapy is the opportunity for problem-solving and critical thinking. Each project presents unique challenges, whether it's figuring out how to join pieces together, selecting the right tools, or overcoming unexpected obstacles. Engaging in this process encourages individuals to think creatively and develop practical solutions, which can be empowering and confidence-building. As artisans learn to navigate difficulties in their projects, they often experience a boost in self-efficacy, translating to other areas of their lives. This sense of empowerment is crucial for emotional resilience, enabling individuals to face challenges with greater confidence and determination. Incorporating woodworking into a regular routine can also serve as a form of self-care, promoting overall mental health and well-being. Scheduling time for crafting allows individuals to prioritize their own needs and interests, creating a healthy balance between work, responsibilities, and personal fulfillment. This intentional practice of engaging in woodworking can become a cherished ritual, providing a sense of stability and predictability in an often chaotic world. The workshop transforms into a sanctuary, a place where individuals can retreat to recharge and reconnect with themselves. As more people discover the therapeutic benefits of woodworking, there is an increasing emphasis on promoting it as a legitimate form of mindfulness practice. Workshops, classes, and community programs are beginning to emerge, focusing on the mental health benefits of engaging with wood. These initiatives aim to create inclusive spaces where individuals from all backgrounds can experience the joy of woodworking, regardless of skill level. By introducing woodworking as a form of therapy, practitioners are encouraged to embrace the process rather than fixate on the end result, fostering a mindset of exploration and discovery. In conclusion, woodworking as a therapeutic practice offers profound benefits for mental and emotional well-being. The combination of mindfulness, creativity, connection to nature, and community support creates a holistic approach to relaxation and self-discovery. As individuals engage with wood, they not only find solace in the act of crafting, but also experience personal growth, empowerment, and a deeper understanding of themselves. The workshop becomes a sanctuary where the stresses of daily life fade away, replaced by the joy of creation and the satisfaction of tangible accomplishments. Promoting woodworking as a form of mindfulness and relaxation not only enriches lives, but also cultivates a community of artisans who share a passion for the craft and a commitment to mental well-being. In a world that often feels overwhelming, the simple act of working with wood serves as a reminder of the beauty of creation, the power of presence, and the healing potential of artistic expression. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for woodworking as therapy, promoting woodworking as a form of mindfulness and relaxation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.